Hey everyone, it's Moda. Christmas is right around the corner, and you know what that means? It's time to start thinking about gifts. But this year, we're not just buying something off the shelf. Now we're going full DIY, crafting some seriously awesome tech gifts that are personal, unique, and way cooler than anything you could find at the store. We've got 5 projects lined up, each with its own unique tech twist. From custom lighting to a smart mirror, even a DIY VR headset. We'll break down each build step by step, so whether you're a seasoned maker or just starting out, you can follow along and create something truly special. So grab your tools, fire up the creativity, and let's get this holiday DIY party started. First up, we're diving into the world of custom lighting with a DIY LED lamp that's all about personalization. This is a great project for beginners because it introduces basic electronics and soldering skills. But trust me, the result is anything but basic. We'll start with a simple LED strip, but don't worry, this is where the customization begins. You can choose from a spectrum of colors, from warm white to vibrant RGB, and even find strips with cool effects like chasing or fading patterns. Next, we'll mount the LED strip onto a base. This could be anything from a piece of driftwood for a natural vibe to a sleek acrylic stand for a modern look. Get creative and find something that matches the style of the person you're making it for. Now for the brains of the operation, we'll wire up a simple circuit using a battery pack, a switch, and maybe even a dimmer if you want to get fancy. Don't worry, we'll go through the wiring step by step, and it's way easier than you might think. Once everything's connected, it's time to unleash your inner artist. You can personalize the lampshade with paint, fabric, or even 3D printed designs. Think about their hobbies, interests, or favorite quotes and let your creativity shine through. The best part about this project is that it's totally customizable. You can create a lamp that's as unique as the person you're giving it to, and that personal touch is what makes a handmade gift so special. Plus, every time they turn on that lamp, they'll be reminded of your thoughtfulness and the awesome gift you created just for them. Now that's what I call a bright idea. Alright guys, get ready to step into the future with this next DIY tech gift, a smart mirror. This project is next level cool and is perfect for anyone who loves having the latest tech at their fingertips. The heart of our smart mirror is a Raspberry Pi, a tiny but powerful computer that we'll use to display all sorts of information right on the mirror's surface. Think weather forecasts, calendar reminders, even news headlines, all while you're checking your reflection. We'll start by building a frame for our mirror, and this is another opportunity to get creative. You can use wood, metal, or even repurpose an old picture frame for a vintage vibe. Next, we'll carefully attach a two-way mirror to the frame. This type of mirror lets a certain amount of light through, which is how we'll be able to see the Raspberry Pi's display behind it. Now for the techie stuff, we'll install an operating system on the Raspberry Pi, connect it to your home Wi-Fi, and set up all the cool, smart features. There's a ton of customization here, so you can choose the information that's most relevant to the person you're making this for. Once everything's up and running, you can mount the Raspberry Pi behind the mirror, conceal the wiring, and boom, you've got yourself a fully functional smart mirror that's sure to impress. Imagine the look on their face when they realize they can check the weather, catch up on the news, and even leave themselves digital reminders, all while getting ready in the morning. This is one gift that's guaranteed to make them say, wow. For this next project, we're combining practicality and style with a DIY phone stand that doubles as a wireless charger. It's the perfect gift for anyone who's always on their phone, so basically, everyone. We'll start with the base of the stand, and again you can go with any material you like. Wood, acrylic, even concrete, it's all about personal preference. You can even 3D print the base if you want a truly custom shape. Next, we'll need a wireless charging pad. You can find these online or at electronics stores for pretty cheap. We'll be embedding the charging pad into the base of our stand, so make sure you choose one that fits your design. Now, for the stand itself, we'll use a piece of acrylic or wood that's been cut to the right angle to support a phone. You can get creative with the shape here, adding curves, angles, or even engraving it with a design. Once you've got your base, charging pad, and stand ready, it's time to assemble. We'll use strong adhesive to secure the charging pad to the base, then attach the stand to the charging pad. To finish it off, you can paint the stand, add some rubber feet to prevent scratches, or even incorporate a small LED light to indicate when the phone is charging. This DIY gift is all about convenience and personalization. It's a practical accessory that they'll use every day, and the custom touches you add will make it truly one of a kind. Plus, who wouldn't love a phone stand that eliminates cable clutter and keeps their device powered up in style? Music lovers, this one's for you. We're about to transform an ordinary mason jar into a portable Bluetooth speaker that's bursting with personality. This project is surprisingly simple and a great way to upcycle those jars you've got lying around. First things first, we need the heart of our speaker, a Bluetooth speaker driver. You can find these online or at electronics stores. Just make sure it's small enough to fit comfortably inside your mason jar. Next, we'll prep the jar by drilling a small hole in the lid for the audio cable to pass through. Don't worry, we'll take all the necessary safety precautions to make sure this step is done properly. Now for the fun part, decorating. Let your imagination run wild and personalize the jar to match the recipient's style. You can paint it, wrap it in fabric, add stickers, or even etch designs into the glass. Once the jar is looking fly, we'll carefully connect the Bluetooth speaker driver to the audio cable and feed it through the hole in the lid. Then we'll secure the driver inside the jar using some adhesive or a bit of hot glue. Finally, we'll seal the jar with the lid and voila! You've got yourself a one-of-a-kind Bluetooth speaker that's ready to pump out the jams. This gift is perfect for music lovers on the go and is sure to get any party started. Plus, the unique mason jar design adds a touch of rustic charm that you won't find in any store-bought speaker. Get ready to dive into the world of virtual reality with this next DIY tech gift, a custom VR headset. This project is perfect for gamers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who loves immersive experiences. Now, before you think this is too complicated, we're not building a high-end VR headset from scratch. Instead, we'll be using cardboard, lenses, and a smartphone to create a surprisingly capable and totally customizable VR experience. We'll start with a pre-made VR headset kit, which you can find online or at some electronics stores. These kits provide the cardboard structure, lenses, and other necessary components to get you started. Once you've got your kit, it's time to unleash your inner designer. We'll be customizing the cardboard headset with paint, markers, stickers, or even fabric. You can go for a sleek and futuristic look, a colorful and playful vibe, or anything in between. While the paint's drying, we'll download some VR apps and games onto the smartphone that will power our headset. There are tons of free and paid options available, from immersive 360-degree videos to interactive games that will transport you to another world. With the headset decorated and the phone loaded up with VR goodness, it's time to assemble everything according to the kit's instructions. We'll carefully insert the lenses, connect the smartphone, and adjust the straps for a comfortable fit. And there you have it, a custom VR headset that's ready to transport the lucky recipient to new worlds and unforgettable experiences. This gift is sure to provide hours of entertainment and is a testament to the power of DIY ingenuity. Plus, the personalized design will make it a truly unique and memorable present. And there you have it, folks! 5 amazing DIY tech gifts that are sure to impress this Christmas. From custom lighting to immersive VR experiences, these projects offer the perfect blend of creativity, personalization, and tech-savvy awesomeness. Remember, the most meaningful gifts come from the heart, and putting in the effort to create something with your own 2 hands shows you really care. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you built something truly unique and special. So this Christmas, ditch the generic gift cards and mass-produced gadgets. Embrace the DIY spirit, unleash your inner maker, and give the gift of tech that's personal, thoughtful, and built to impress. Happy holidays, everyone!